my harmonies, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Symphony. I film beauty, fashion, and lifestyle content, and if you guys enjoy those types of videos, please make sure to like this video and of course subscribe to my channel to join the harmony. As you've seen by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys a full review on the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. And this has been trending for a while now, but I want to show you guys my personal experience with it, especially if you have the same skin type as me, or if you just never heard of this product and want to see what this is about, then just keep on watching. So before I go in with the Essence Brighten Up powder, I am going to be fixing up my makeup a little bit because the under eyes are a little bit creased, and I want to make sure I put the powder on with a clean canvas. This is the Essence Brighten Up Banana Powder. The name of it is called 10 Baba Banana. This is how the powder looks. It does give a nice banana powder looking color. I'm gonna just read you guys its description off of Ulta since I did buy this from Ulta. It says, ready, set, bake, Essence Brighten Up. Banana powder is a translucent mattifying powder ideal for concealer baking, or you can just use it for any areas that you want to highlight on your face, like your forehead, chin, here, maybe here if you want to. The benefits of it is mattifying formula, sets makeup for all day wear, zero creasing, works for all skin tones, and it's cruelty free, and it's formulated without gluten, alcohol, oil, parabens, fragrance, and animal byproducts. I'm just going to apply it with this powder puff that I got from SHEIN. You can purchase these from Amazon, so I'll link both of the links down below for you guys. I really want to swatch it on my finger to show you guys how sheer it is. And once you put it on your skin, it just looks like this, and it blends in very easily, and it gives a nice matte finish. I'm gonna just take some like that and just apply it like this, and I'm just going to be baking with this. Usually when I set my under eyes, I always bake. It's just a personal preference and it always works for me. I'm gonna just have it bake like that and just put some on my forehead as well, and on the bridge, chin, and I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. As you can see with this powder puff, I love using this, especially for the under eyes. It really gets in the corners right here, and it helps with the nose too, in case you do want to contour it or slim it down. I'm just going to let this bake for about 5 minutes or under 5 minutes, maybe 3 minutes. It depends how long I take when I do my bronzing and my blush, and you know, just do the rest of my face makeup besides my lashes or lips. So I'll be right back. So it's been about more than 10 minutes, honestly. I sometimes forget that when it comes to doing the rest of my face or like bronzing, blush, and all that, I'll be taking a little bit longer, but I'm now just going to be tap wiping this off, and as you can see, it's really helping me give a bright under eye. Like, my under eyes are way brighter now. But one extra step that I love doing, and I feel like I have to do, is add a little bit more, but in a different way. So I'm going to be showing you guys right now how I do so. These are how my under eyes look right now. As you can see, this powder does help with brightening, but I have to add that one extra step. What I do is that I just set my face and I just use the NYX Bear With Me Prime, Set, and Refresh setting spray. And honestly, you can use whatever setting spray you have, and sometimes I do switch it up, but right now in this video I am going to be using this exact one. I'm just gonna set my face. So it's about 90% dry right now, and once it's like that, I just go in with this brush that I got from Amazon, and it's called a Pro Setting Brush by Beauty Junkies. I just take this much. You don't really need too much of it, and you just want to set it like that. It just adds more of a bright under eye. If you're just fine with this part, that's totally fine, but for me personally, I really like a bright under eye, especially when my sleep schedule is like all over the place, and this is just gonna help give your under eyes like more of a blurred look and have them set more, and for your under eyes and makeup to last all day. So this is how it looks so far. I'm just going to be finishing my lips and eyes and whatever else I have to do, and do some little touch-ups on my face, and I'll get right back to you guys and show you guys the final results of everything. And I am going to be setting my face one more time once everything is on my face, so everything can completely melt together. But I didn't set it yet because I want to show you guys how my under eyes look right now. And as you can see, they still look very bright. There is some creasing, but it just happens naturally for me no matter what type of powder it is. Like, I always get some type of creasing, but the creasing on here is not that bad. This powder does not really crease that bad for it to be under $10 or even $6. The setting spray I've been loving lately is the e.l.f. Makeup Mist and Set, and I recently got this, and I showed you guys this in my Ulta haul. So let me just shake this up a bit. Set the rest of my face. Whew. So I'm gonna show you guys how this wears during the whole day, or at least until I take off my makeup, because I do have to film some content. So I'll just show you guys after a few hours how it's wearing and see if it's coming off a little bit or if it's creasing anymore. But I'll just talk to you guys during then. So it's been about 7 hours. It's, well, almost 7 hours. It's 10:35 right now, and I'm almost done filming for today. And this is how my under eyes look. They still look pretty bright, and I think I might want to do some touch-ups. So let me just add a little bit of this. Yeah, I feel like after maybe 5 hours you might want to do some touch-ups, but honestly I feel like it's worth getting. I believe this is probably similar to the Charlotte Tilbury brightening powder, I believe. I'm not 100% sure what the actual name is, but I know this is pretty similar to one famous brand, well, high-end brand. I really like how my under eyes look. They're not creasing that bad from what I can see. I didn't even have to touch it up that much. It was already fine. Maybe 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 10 hours you have to touch it up a bit, because I did apply a lot of powder, and that's how I usually do it anyway. That gives a really nice full coverage look, and it gives like a nice blurring effect. But that is my little update on this powder. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you guys are willing to try this, or if you already have it, let me know what you guys think about it with your personal experience, and let me know what other makeup products I should review and try out. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I love you guys so much, and God bless you all in Jesus' name, and I'll see you guys in my next video.